Unicorn, and today it's going to rain, so I thought let's do some rainy day activities. Yeah, okay, outside it's very bad. It's very bad. So I don't know if you could see that. Let's just go on with the video. I'm sorry if you're hearing noises. That's just my tablet moving around because it's stupid like that. But it's good. Be Gucci. So the first rainy activity is trying on clothes and seeing which looks the best on you. And I like to do this on Musical.ly and make a Musical.ly about it because I have 280 fans through 300 fans. 280 fans through 300 fans. So I don't know. So, yeah, let's go on. So, I like to make a Musical.ly about it and, try and close. I'm not going to do it right now because my tablet doesn't have that stop thing where you stop the video, and then you can do all your stuff, and then you pause the video, and then you unpause the video, and the video's back on. That's why my videos are so bad. Anyways, I'm back. So, the next rainy activity is have a dance party. Yay. Yay. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Ask what happened. Then I can do a Riley's ride. And then, yeah. Ask what happened and put some challenges down below. And if they're safe, ask some questions. And if they're safe, I'll do one and along with your name. So have a dance party. That's static. That was my radio. And I only have a little. Oh, fell there. Oh my god, are you okay? Okay. Alright, you're good. You're good, you're good. I said you're good. Oh, you're good, you're good. So, yeah, you're good. It's just a little, alarm radio, and it also has a radio on it, and it's really cool, and it also has the alarm on it, but this alarm doesn't work, so I don't use this alarm, so my parents wake me up, and they just go back to bed, but it's summer now, so I don't have to worry about my alarm, and then I just get to have a dance party with my friends, and I get to invite them over, and I get to maybe by myself, because I'm a loner. Okay, next rainy activity. The next rainy activity is... Excuse me, I have to reach in my drawer for this one. I have something called a money drawer because I don't have a piggy bank, and I have more than $2, but I'm just showing you $2. So, yeah. And then you can go to the mall. Illuminati is watching you. He's always watching, kids. He's always watching. Well, the Illuminati, because I've got, it's just, if you guys don't know what Illuminati is, comment down below what Illuminati is, and I will answer that question on the next Riley's Ride, the first Riley's Ride. My charger's not right. What the heck? The charger thing is in the charger. It's not working. Stay. Dang it. Anyways, so before this video gets too long, I want to state one more rainy day activity. Anyways, when you go to the mall, just, look around or buy stuff. And then, the last rainy activity is the fourth one. I don't even know. I'm just winging it for this because I can screw economy. There you go. I got my shirt back in. So the last rating activity is excuse me 1 second. I'm having some technical difficulties. I don't even know where that sign went, the technical difficulty sign. Alright, people. This is the life. Woo woo. So for the last rainy activity, invite your friends over. And when you invite your friends over, if you're a girl, do nails. Did that break? Oh, no. Do nails. And lips. Makeup. Oh. And more money. Excuse me, I just... You know my friends at school? Well, you know what they say? Well, I brought some of my makeup over at school. I didn't bring all of it. This isn't even... You could do your lips. Excuse me. You could do your lips. Lips. Foundation. Eyes. Mini mirror. More lips. And eyeshadow. More eyeshadow. And that's all I have for you guys today. I love you all so much. Even the haters, I love you guys so much. So, I love you guys so much. I hope you like this video. No dislikes. I hope you comment down below a question or a challenge for Riley's ride, and like, what is the Illuminati, or what's the most embarrassing moment of your life, or how did you get the idea to become a YouTuber? I don't know. But peace. I love you guys. Mwah!